In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to migrate forms from Typeform to Jotform. Transitioning your forms from one platform to another can be an essential step, especially if you're looking to leverage different features or streamlined functionalities. So, let's dive right into the process. First, you want to open your web browser and head over to the Typeform website. Typeform is known for its user-friendly interface and survey formats that look fantastic. You can find it by simply searching Typeform or going directly via their URL. Once there, you'll notice a login button prominently displayed. Click on this to enter your credentials and access your Typeform account. If you don't have an account yet, you might need to sign up. But today we're focusing on those who have existing forms. After successfully logging in, you'll need to navigate to your Typeform workspace. This is the area where all of your active and draft forms are stored. Think of it as your form management hub. Once in the workspace, scroll through to locate the specific form that you plan to migrate. Select this form by clicking on it. This action leads you to detailed options related to that specific form. Now that you've accessed your chosen form, the next step is to prepare it for sharing. Go ahead and click on the Share option, usually found within the form settings. This will open up several sharing methods, but what we're interested in today is embedding, so you want to focus there. Look around this section until you spot the Embed Form option. Clicking on this gives you access to the HTML embed code, which is crucial for transferring your form to another platform. You'll see the HTML embed code displayed. Take a moment now to hover over this code and copy it. You can do this by simply highlighting the entire code block and using the copy function on your computer. Typically, that's Ctrl+C on Windows or Command+C on a Mac. With the code safely copied to your clipboard, it's time to shift gears and move over to Jotform. While this video primarily focuses on getting the code, once you're in Jotform, you'll typically have options to create a new form and use that embed code to integrate your Typeform layout into Jotform's infrastructure. Different platforms will have slightly varied steps at this stage, but pasting and adjusting settings should align closely. And that's it. You now know how to successfully extract your Typeform form and prepare it for use in Jotform. Transitioning forms doesn't have to be daunting when you break it down step by step. With these instructions, you're all set to make the most of both platforms efficiently. Thanks for watching, and happy form building!